How to earn money from coding. Welcome to the world of possibilities where coding is currency. Discover how to turn your programming skills into profit. Did you know you can earn by creating websites or apps? That's right. Businesses are always in need of developers. Software testing is another avenue. Help companies find and fix bugs. Your keen eyes can bag you some bucks. Or, step into the exciting realm of game development. Turn your gaming passion into a lucrative career. Finally, consider teaching. Share your knowledge, influence future coders, and get paid. Start earning from coding today. Explain one of the method of earning money from coding? Are you a whiz with code? Great news! You can earn money from your skills. Ever heard of freelancing? It's a fantastic method. Simply sign up on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create an attractive profile showcasing your coding prowess. Next, start bidding on relevant projects. Ensure your proposals stand out, highlighting your unique selling points. Remember to deliver quality work on time. This builds your reputation, attracting more clients. So, start now. Turn your coding skills into cash. Freelancing, a flexible, profitable way to monetize your coding expertise. How to start coding. Welcome to your first step in coding. Let's start by choosing a language. Python is great for beginners. Next, download a code editor. Visual Studio Code is a good choice. It's user-friendly and free. Now, let's write your first piece of code. Type a print hello world. This is a basic command in Python. Hit run to execute your code. You should see hello world on your screen. Congrats, that's your first code. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep coding, keep learning. The coding world is now yours to explore.